So here is some guide on conducting the mulberry experiment. First, you would like to pick a branch from the mulberry tree that with your desired length. After count to 4 notes, you have to cut it, but cut it in a slanted way. That is the branch that we picked. Next, after count every 4 notes, you would like to cut it again above the note. Make sure it is pencil sized. And afterwards, if there's any leaves, we can trim it or we can hand pluck it. We make sure that there are 10 of these branches, 5 with auxin and 5 without auxin. Next, 2 grow bags are labeled with auxin and without auxin, so we can differentiate each batch of the branches. We filled both of the growing bag with soil. Next, we water the soil to ensure the nutrients are retained in the soil and make sure that there are no dry soils. Now, to apply the auxin onto the branch, we first need to dip the bottom part of the branch into the water, and then we dip it in the auxin. We can shake it off if there is any excess, and then right next afterwards, we just put them in the soil. This process was repeated to the remaining branches, and for without the auxin branch, we just put them in the soil straight up. Now here are the results of the experiment.
Theoretically, the mulberry stems with auxin applied before being planted into the soil grew in greater quantity and quality compared to those without auxin applied to it. Auxin has the properties to stimulate the formation of adventitious roots on stem cuttings and promotes lateral root development, which, in short, helps the immense growth of roots. However, the results obtained in this experiment is far from ideal as the roots are not growing in both pot, whether it was dipped in auxin or not. Factors such as concentration of auxin used being too much or too little, temperature, humidity, light intensity not being suitable, and the timing of auxin application at the wrong stage may have led to the failure in the experiment.